ScopeCare service agreements from DB Surgical help you guard against the unplanned downtime that can disrupt patient care, make budget planning easier, and avoid costly repairs. Our multi-year fixed-cost service agreements offer preventative maintenance visits, priority service calls, and guaranteed response times, all from the most highly qualified technicians serving the Southeast. All plans come with 2 preventative maintenance visits per year, a rapid response guarantee, unlimited technical support, and unlimited software updates. The Plus plan provides 50% discount on labor, travel, and mileage, along with a 5% discount on replacement parts and consumables. The Premium plan provides a 100% discount on labor, travel, and mileage, along with a 10% discount on replacement parts and consumables. And the Premium Plus Parts plan provides a 100% discount on labor, travel, and mileage, along with a 100% discount on replacement parts and consumables. Depend on DB Surgical with support from the largest local service team of Leica certified technicians who are reachable directly via phone, text, or email, and who have proprietary knowledge and access to parts for accurate diagnosis and resolution, all while working with the only team that can maintain warranties and repair to original guidelines. Contact us today to receive your customized ScopeCare proposal to protect your surgical microscope. ScopeCare, maximum performance, superior reliability, and budget peace of mind. Contact DB Surgical today.